Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. After a week, I finally recording a new video. In this video, we are gonna create our damage object. It can be killed instantly or it just apply damage, okay? So I'm just open my interact interface. Let's add a new function and call it apply damage. So for the damage type, I'm gonna use float and rename it damage. On the character blueprint, let's create our event. And we want another float for health. What we want to do, we want to decrease our health like amount of damage, okay? And let's set it. So our new health is if less than or equal to 0. What we want to do, we want to die our character. So let's get player controller and let's unpossess and disable input. So right now we can just, if we want to do, we can create a death widget. I just make this, it's just a canvas and a text, okay? Just right there, you died. So let's create widget, wb widget, wb death widget, and let's add to viewport. After a delay like 2 seconds, what we want to do, we want to remove this widget. So remove from parent and get player controller, execute console command, and let's type restart level or let's start player, but probably let's start level. I don't remember right now. So let's create our damage object. Right now our damage event is ready. Let's create our damage object. I'm just gonna create right there. So BP damage object. Let's add a static mesh to see it on the level. I'm gonna add to this help icon, this icon, and let's add the box collision and set visibility. Uncheck the hidden in game so we can see it. Visibility is checked already. Okay, so on components begin overlap, what we want to do, we want to check if it's our character. If it's true, apply damage. And I'm gonna promote this damage as a variable and set it instance editable. Okay, but first let's set this health to 100 and let's add there. So on level we can set damage to whatever we want, but if everything is fine right now, our character is gonna die. Let's look. As you can see, we died and restart from the player start point. So what we can add, can maybe add a health widget. Widget blueprint health. But right now they are primitive, so don't mind it right now. Okay, what we want, what was its name? Progress bar. So let's create binding and get player character class to third person character and get health. Where is begin play? We didn't use. Let's create widgets on begin on begin play and add to report. And I'm just gonna set the damage to 60. Let's look why it didn't work. I don't know. Oh, let's create another float. Do nothing. Health bar. So this is percentage, so we need another float and divide like this or the other way. Let's look. Of course we have to set it. Yep. As you can see, progress bar is working right now. Our health is 40 and we died. Let's set it again 100. As you can see, it seems quite fine right now. Of course it's primitive, but for instant kill it's quite good. And like platform games, we can usually use the instant kill. So I hope you like it. See you next time.